Hello everyone, gonna make some dal today with some lovely flavors. You can see there's plenty of stuff happening there. Really is delicious, vegetarian, vegan, healthy, tasty, spicy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at this dal first. So on the left hand side in the big bowl, I've got 4 cups of cooked yellow tur dal. You can see it. Here's a little example of it dried. So what I've done with that is first of all wash it through a couple of times, get any little bits of stones out or grit. Then I soaked it for like 1 hour. Then I boiled it for about 20 minutes. So that's what you're gonna end up with. But yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, so you've seen the dal there. This is what else we're gonna be using. So we've got a cup of onion, a cup of tomato, a cup of cilantro, 4 dried red chilies, 2 teaspoons underneath there of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, fresh chili, entirely up to you the amount you want to put in, fresh curry leaves, really beautiful in this if you can get them, if not try and get dried, and then the big 4, 2 teaspoons each, turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. So I'm using coconut oil for this. I'm just melting it down. You could use a different oil if you wanted to. So we're on above medium heat. We're going to start off by dropping in the dried red chili. I'm using 4. You can use less if you want. A couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds and curry leaves. A few seconds in the hot oil. Then we're going to go in with the onion. Salt. We're going to cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. Keep it moving. Fabulous. Now we're going to go ginger garlic paste. Fresh chilies. Fresh tomato. And our spices, let's take a look. So we've got chili powder, coriander, turmeric, and cumin. Really beautiful. Let's go for another 4 to 5 minutes. Stay on this fairly lively heat, stirring fairly often. Fabulous, those tomatoes are starting to break down in there. Now we're going to drop in our dal. Another 4 minutes or so, again staying on this vibrant heat, stirring often. Now we're going to add water. You can add as much or as little as you want. You could put a very small amount in and have a kind of dal fry, or you can make it very soupy. I just went there for, I think there's about, I'd say there's a pint or 2 in there maybe. Okay, stay on this vibrant heat, let it go now for about 8 or 9 minutes. If you want, you can top it up with water if it reduces down too much. Okay, now I quite like that consistency. You can have it much wetter than that if you want, or you can just dry it right out and kind of fry it a bit more in the pan, up to you. Off goes the heat. Cilantro or coriander. Plenty of. One more stir, job done. Beautiful. And there it is, really simple and super tasty. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.